Hi, I'm E. Strickland, the owner, creator, and CEO of Rustic Territory. We are a farmhouse and candle company out of Fort Worth, Texas, established in 2017. Now, I'm going to be using this channel to share my personal experience of how to turn your candle making passion into predictable profits without becoming a slave to your business or being handcuffed to the craft. Now, I've been privately coaching and mentoring people just like you behind the scenes for the last few years, taking them from never made a candle before in their life to selling them on a regular basis. And I only work with a small handful of students per month because after I created a candle business that only requires me to work one weekend per month, yes, you heard me right, I very much value my time freedom. But right now, we do have a few spots available, so I will put a link in the description. And if you want to work with me, you're welcome to check it out. If not, no worries. I'll be posting what I can when I can on this channel from now on.